Hey guys, welcome to the vlog, and today I created this first wheel prototype for my 3-pound combat robot. And this is nothing really special, but since it's just the first prototype, but one thing I wanted to show you guys was because I'm using 2 bearings, one on both sides, I need to print this flat, right? And there's going to be these really nasty overhangs, so I'm going to explain to you what's going on here. And a tip that could probably benefit you. So you can see here, if it's printed flat, this will be all overhang. And this is commonly regarded as like the Prusa strategy. And essentially you manipulate this overhang in a way so that it can be 3D printed fully without supports. Now you can already see sort of what I did here with the lighting. Essentially you create, because 3D printers can do horizontal bridging, like from point A to point B, like back and forth, but they can't 3D print circles in midair, which is harder. And unless you have custom mods, you're not gonna be able to have a successful result. So you can see here, I created 2 rectangles that are tangent to this inner hole that will fit a screw in, and then two rectangles, extruded that by 0.2 millimeters, which is the layer height you're going to be printing at. And then above that is extruded those 2 profiles, and then 2 horizontal rectangles. And then after that you can just print it normally, and the result, it's going to look a little bit messy, but it won't fail, and it won't have that nasty support removal. And honestly, it worked quite nice. Wait, you're still here? Well, as a thank you, I want to show you guys another tip that could greatly improve your 3D printing reliability and results. So you can see here that there is quite a bit of stringing in between these, you can call them peaks and valleys, of these ribs that run across the wheel. And the second version, you can't see any of them. And there's actually a specific slicer setting. So this setting allows the print nozzle to be constrained within a certain distance, so it doesn't keep picking itself up, moving it, and then printing again. Rather, it just makes that motion smoothly. So now let's hop over to the slicer and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so in Bamboo Studio, there will be a setting called Void Crossing Walls. And you will need to scroll down from the quality section and scroll down until you see advanced, and there you can check avoid crossing walls, and then there will be like avoid crossing detour length, and I left that on 0 because it shouldn't make that much of a difference. So after you hit that, that allows the nozzle to print these ribs in a continuous motion, and that fixed my problem of the stringing, so you won't need to use, for example, a blowtorch or a lighter to clean up your prints. And that's it for today. But real quick, shout out to PCBWay for supporting this video. They offer really great 3D printing and CNC machining and PCB manufacturing and many interesting high-level technologies. So gradually, when this combat robot begins to take shape, I'm gonna begin to use their exotic materials selection and create parts that will last in battle. I hope you have a great day, and Happy New Year, everyone.